In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Lucky Orange Shopify app. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you will know exactly how to locate the app in the Shopify App Store and install it so you can start using it with your store. First, you need to find and click Lucky Orange on the Shopify App Store. To do this, open your Shopify admin dashboard, or open a Shopify browser page where you can access the App Store. Look for the area that lets you browse apps, often labeled as Apps or Shopify App Store. Once you are in the App Store, you will typically see a search bar near the top of the page. This is where you can quickly locate the app you want instead of scrolling through many options. Now focus on the search bar. Click inside it, then type Lucky Orange. As you type, you will usually see matching results appear. Keep your eyes on the results list and confirm you are selecting the correct app named Lucky Orange. Click on it so the app's details page opens. On this page, you will be able to review what the app does and see key information such as features and pricing details. This step matters because it ensures you are installing the right app and not something similar with a different name. Once you have selected Lucky Orange from the search results, you should now be looking at the app's main page. Take a moment to confirm that the page you are on is specifically for Lucky Orange. You may see an app preview, a short description, and sometimes screenshots or key highlights. This is a good time to quickly skim through the information so you know what you are about to install. Even if you already know you want the app, checking the title and general description helps you feel confident that everything is correct. After you have confirmed you are on the right page, the next step is to install it. To continue, find and click the Install button. This is usually located prominently on the app page, often near the top section or in a main action area. Go ahead and click Install. This action tells Shopify that you want to add the Lucky Orange app to your store. At this point, Shopify may ask for confirmation or show a short set of steps that you need to approve before the installation completes. Follow any prompts that appear. Make sure you pay attention to what Shopify is asking you to allow, such as app access to certain parts of your store. If you see a summary of permissions or an explanation of what the app will be able to do, read it briefly so you understand what you are enabling. When you click Install and complete any confirmation prompts, Shopify will begin the setup process. Depending on your connection and store setup, this can take a moment. During this time, avoid closing the page or navigating away unless you are instructed to do so. Instead, give it a short moment so the installation can finish properly. Once the installation is complete, you can return to your Shopify admin and look for the app in your list of installed apps. That is how you verify that the app is successfully added to your store. From there, you can continue with any in-app setup that Lucky Orange may require. But the core goal of this tutorial is making sure you install it correctly through the Shopify App Store, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to find Lucky Orange in the Shopify App Store and install it.